Definitely. This is our power and energy solution product what we want to display here. So normally in conventional method, what we use in drive technology, whenever there is a regeneration, for example, when the hoist come downward, then there is a regeneration. At that regeneration, we dissipate in braking resistance. So it's a wastage of energy, unwanted heat into the system. Another solution is we convert this regenerated energy into main supply. So we have regenerative module which converts this extra regenerated energy into the main so that other devices can utilize it. But the issue is that when we are feeding back that energy, it generates harmonics into the mains. And because of that harmonics, it may affect to other devices also. So it can generate the interference. So for that we have introduced this power and energy solutions in which we are integrating drive technology with a storage technology. In the storage technology we are using super capacitors. So it calls super caps in small. Okay. Now there is a thing that whenever there is a regeneration happen, depends on application when regeneration happen. If regeneration happen, it will stored into the capacitors. So the regenerated energy remains within the system. Instead of going other side, input side, it will remain within the system. Okay. That is the one energy saving. So your electricity bill is reduced. And electricity power saving, it is also good for the global warming. It will reduce the global warming. And also the North Pole, what the ice is melting, it is good for the polar bear living there. Okay. Now another advantage is there that you can increase. This is MDP92. It's a power module, power supply module, and it can convert AC to DC. Then it is doing DC to DC converter. So how much DC link voltage you require, that's much DC link voltage it can provide. And if you are getting more DC link voltage, your motor performance can increase. Okay. Instead of 560 volt DC, if you are getting 700 volt, so your motor performance can also increase. You can have a more peak power at rated RPM. Okay. That is called direct mode. Without storage technology, you are increasing the motor performance.
Using this, only
using only MDP92. Okay. Now second is power mode. In power mode, we are saying that it's a peak power reduction. So let's say your hoist required 10 kilowatt of power for up and down motion. But your average power is only 2 kilowatt. Okay. Your cycle peak power required 10 kilowatt, but average power is only 2 kilowatt. So from the grid or from the mains, only 2 kilowatt will be consumed. Rest 8 kilowatt will be provided from capacitors. Okay. So this is how the average power will be consumed from the grid. So your grid is stable, only 2 kilowatt consumption. Okay, against 10 kilowatt. And rest power will be provided by the capacitor. And whenever there is a regeneration, that is going back into the capacitor. And now what is the advantage of peak power saving? That your input is now reduced from 10 kilowatt to 2 kilowatt. So your filter will be smaller, your MCB will be smaller, your cable will be smaller, and also the supply coming from transformer. The transformer size also reduced. So you can have a more expansion. So the complete infrastructure size is reduced. So there are many advantages of peak power saving. And third is energy mode. In energy mode, what we can do then, whenever there is a power failure or any power dip is coming, that time what happen? Complete mechanics emergency brake immediately. So what will happen? Your mechanics will damage. Okay. Also the uptime is reduced. Your machine is stopped. Because of that, your production is hampered. So what we can use, that energy stored from the capacitor will be used to drive the drive. So if your power failure is also there, system does not have any impact. It will run on the capacitor only. Okay. So these are the three modes we are combining, and therefore we are saying it power and energy solutions. So this